Alright, let's take a look at a new Zippo. Now this one is a pretty plain model, and it arrived in the regular Zippo box with the cardboard sleeve, and it just says Zippo logo. It's a regular box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Now this is really plain because it's just an orange Zippo, but it does have the little Zippo logo there, which is nice. Now this one looks like it was made in J of 17. Really good stampings on this. J is, I believe that's October. Good sound, steel insert. Lights up nice. Now this is a neon orange finish all over it except for that one spot. This is like the Hunter orange. Pretty close to a Hunter orange. And it's also pretty close to the Cheetos orange. That makes it nice. So let's do a drop test on this little orange Zippo. Okay, so this little neon orange Zippo passes the drop test just fine. Let's put it over there for now. And this one definitely deserves cowbell. Knuckle bomb.